Hey everybody, I finally finished the gift I was making for someone at work. I got to take it to her today. And instead of putting it on that card I had it on, I just made a little pot, put it in, just take it like it is. I think it turned out real pretty. And I'll probably make a video on how to make it and how to do the pot. But right now I'm cleaning out a building and all this, so I don't know how long it'll be before I get around to that. So, you know, subscribe and hit the notification button and you might not miss it. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, my little quilt flower. It looks like a little quilt. I love it. And then the leaves, they are, well, I had them on the original leaf material, the lace, but it just didn't look right, so I changed that with fabric. And I also covered the stem with that same fabric because the other stem was just too dark, you know, since this one's such bright and pastel-y colors. And then well, I made the pot, and the first one I made, and I Mod Podged this one. And it's a littler pot. I was just going to see how it would look. Whoa. And it's cute. But, you know, I had little pleats in the fabric. And then I put the Mod Podge, which I don't like with that flower. With other flowers it'd be fine because this is shiny and the flower's not. So, yeah, I'll show how to make those pots too. So I just used the same fabrics I used in the flower and put them on the pot after I painted the pot. And I had painted this pot pink, but then I liked the way the fabric looked with yellow, so I just kind of went back and put some yellow, you know, on the edge, because I already had the lace right there on the edge, so I couldn't change it totally. And then on the inside here, see if it'll focus. Well, maybe not. I put some green fabric and stuck it down in the foam, and then made like little bitty rose buds right there in the greenery. So yeah, I'll be making a video about it, but I'll show you the back also. And on the bottom I just stuck that on there. I thought that was cute. But I had it at that angle because I was going to hook it to that card. So, in case you're wondering. Okay, and the glue shows darker, but that's alright. I just put some of the green fabric on the back to cover up that. And then of course I twisted the fabric around the stem. And then there's the leaves with the lace leaves on the front. And I pinched them together and glued them. And so it left a hump, so I just took a little leaf shape right here and glued it over that. And so I think she'll like it. I just hope her house, I hadn't been to her house before, so you know, if it's decorated in red or something it won't match, but it's a gift. She can do what she wants. And it won't last forever because there's no real way to clean it because I didn't seal it. Maybe just, I don't know, soak it in woolite or something. And then I don't know if the glue will hold up. I used mostly this glue. And then I used a hot glue gun. I had to start using it for these. So, maybe it'll hold up for her. And I forgot what I was getting to. But anyway, keep an eye out for the video. And thanks for watching, and subscribe and hit the notification button because I'm going to show you how to do that cute little pot that would look good with any flower in it. Bye, y'all.